Welcome to the sanctuary of satisfaction. There's halftime quick recipe show. I'm TD with TD's Brew and Barbecue. Let's get this beer open. Meat. A green chili Philly. So we're gonna one up the Philly cheesesteak, New Mexico style, Asadero cheese. Done. The green chili Philly. The TD's Brew and Barbecue carne sutra to just take that Philly cheesesteak and just up it a notch. The green chili. Prime rib was on sale. I want good ones. We're gonna turn everything up to an 11. I just wanna remind everybody, bear down. I got my bun here, TD's Brew and Barbecue, Zesty taco. This is what we want. Green chili Philly. Oh, look at that cheese. No, nice and melty. We're gonna let it rock. So, this is the green chili Philly. Let me make sure my bun's not getting too toasty. Eagles fan, I'm sorry. Packers fan, I'm sorry. Cowboys fan, I'm sorry too. You can talk all the smack you want. I have some friends that are Eagles fans and they suck. Asadero cheese, the Mexican melting cheese. That there, green chili on top of this cheese. The green chili Philly. We got a good toast on our bun. And soft that bread is. I'm gonna push it down a little bit. Yeah. Hate the Phillies too. Go Braves. I see my boy Fields. No one else matters. Gonna put this on top. Let's make sure I can get it. Oh, so melty. Look at that. A good solid pound. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, the TD's Brew and Barbecue green chili Philly. Let's get back to the game, everybody. Bear down. Oh.